Hello. Whew, this lighting is really bad, but it's nighttime. I usually do these videos during the day, and I didn't get to it, and so I am kind of sneaking off in my office while the boys are playing in the living room, and I wanted to unbox my January order. It's always so fun to get your little box. It's a seed to seal, right? Hope somebody will join me tonight. Otherwise, hopefully you guys will enjoy watching this. I always like to unbox my monthly order. Essential Rewards is so fun. You can try new things each month, and you can switch out some of your old products and try new ones, which is always fun. I always love what Young Living has. So I'm going to go through what I got this month. This month I got Ninja Nitro. And if you haven't tried these, I know Tiffany talked about them a little bit this month. They give you a little boost of natural energy. They're great before a run. Okay, gonna admit, I'm not a runner, but I need these just for mom life. And they're really great. They taste pretty good. They've got the Ninja Wolfberry in there, which if you've never heard of Ninja Red, or the Ninja Wolfberry. It's a wolfberry that comes from a provenance in China, and it's close to a mountain, and all the minerals run off into the area where these ninja berries grow, and so they're full of minerals that we're often deficient in, and full of antioxidants and all kinds of other stuff. So Ninja Nitro is awesome to have on hand and good for your body. Alright, so that was the first thing I got. I'm really, really excited that I got the Wolfberry Eye Cream this month. And I have been using Young Living skincare for about 6 months now. I love it. I've actually absolutely fallen in love with all of their stuff. And I have super sensitive skin. I have acne prone skin, and my skin has like never been as good as it is now, and I look like I have big circles under my eyes, but it's really just the bad lighting, I swear. I swear, I'm in bad lighting right now. It's nighttime. I should get better lighting, but sorry guys. So I'm excited to try the Wolfberry Eye Cream. We also are probably going to be doing a beauty school or a beauty class soon, so it's fun to kind of collect all the beauty stuff so everyone can check it out. But I'll have to let you know how this stuff is. If it's anything like all the other skincare stuff I've tried, it's going to be amazing. So excited to put something new on my order. I got 2 deodorants, and these actually I did a bulk buy, just trying to help people to get chemicals out of their homes, and so I offered to do a bulk buy on deodorants, and I always feel like deodorant is such a great place for people to start if they're starting to go toxin free, because you're putting this right in your arm. You put deodorant in your armpit. That's where your lymph node is. You ordered it too, Angie? Cool. That's where your lymph nodes are, and if you just Google like deodorant and toxic chemicals and breast cancer, just do your own research, but I'm just saying, it's good to go natural with the deodorant. So I did a bulk buy, and I had 2 people want to do it, and one wanted one scent and the other wanted the other. So exciting. I'm excited that they're going to ditch and switch. Oh, what else did I get? Okay, so I got Parafree this month. Some of you might be in the parasite group and be totally terrified because it's scary and yet really interesting in that group. And this had actually come up on a scan for me with my iToby scanner a couple months ago, and I guess I should have probably listened to that because I'm doing the cleanse, and yeah, definitely an issue for me. So I got the Parafree just to give it a try and just to add it to all the other cool cleanse things I'm doing for a parasite cleanse. So fun stuff, fun and scary stuff all at the same time. Okay, let's see. I also got Thieves Foaming Hand Soap Refill. I love the Thieves Foaming Hand Soap, and I've, bought some of the little containers of it, and then I just buy this foaming hand soap refill. And I'm going to tell you a little secret. when I refill my Thieves Foaming Hand Soap, I fill it, you know, probably 3/4 of the way with this and then the rest of the way with water, and it still works just as good. So it's just another little penny pinching way that I make my Thieves Foaming Hand Soap last. And this stuff smells so good. That Thieves Foaming Hand Soap was my first encounter with Young Living, and I didn't even know it until way after I joined. But the chiropractor that I used to go to had this foaming hand soap in their bathroom, and I would love to go to the bathroom when I got adjusted just so that my hands would smell amazing for the rest of the day. And I had no idea it was Thieves until after I joined Young Living and, you know, started using it. And then I was like, hey, this is the foaming hand soap that was in my chiropractor's office. So it's good stuff. Yeah, another thing to research and Google is thieves and the power of thieves and thieves versus raw chicken and all kinds of fun stuff. You check that stuff out. You do your own research, but thieves is pretty amazing. This is another thing that another person ordered on my order. I have a friend who ordered some Thieves laundry soap. So it's super concentrated. I mean, this bottle is kind of little. Look, it's like the size of my head. And, oh no, it was out of stock. Oh, that's sad, Sunny. But the little cap is like super tiny, like smaller than most, definitely smaller than most laundry soaps. But she's ordered this before and she likes it, and she ordered it again through me, so that's cool. So that was someone else's order. This was free, so you know when you hit those certain PV marks, and I'm always trying to get people to add to my order so that I can get there and get free stuff. I got the Super Cal Plus, which I have never tried before. I really love Young Living supplements. I use a lot of them. I sometimes rotate them because I can't currently afford to buy all of them that I need, so I kind of do like, I'll do like Super B and what else? Super B, and I always want Inner Defense on hand, and I always want Life 9 on hand. So it's like I kind of rotate. Then I'll have Super C 1 month. So it's always fun when you get a supplement for free, because then you can try it. And I like greens too. That's another great supplement. But I kind of have to rotate them out, so I'm not always taking all of them at the same time. Okay, so the next two things are oil tubes. Yay, oil tubes. The rest is oils. I always got oils, and I ordered some for some friends this month too. So, first is Copaiba. That was a free one, 15 milliliter of Copaiba, because I hit the 300 PV mark by having friends order. That is an amazing oil. I got it free. I want to say it's like a $40 value. Free. Cedarwood. My neighbor actually ordered cedarwood from me. She's been just trying a couple things here and there, so that's always exciting when you have people who want to add to your order and they're starting to get into oils, and it's fun. So my neighbor ordered cedarwood, one of my favorite ones. I use cedarwood just to help me get a good night's sleep, and I also use cedarwood, or people, I shouldn't say I, but people use cedarwood in like a tincture for their hair, and they'll take castor oil and then put a couple drops of cedarwood, sometimes a couple drops of rosemary, and they put it on their scalp and a couple, like maybe 30 minutes before they're going to take a shower, and then they shower and shampoo it out, and it's really helpful at like just giving you thicker, bouncier hair. So definitely cedarwood is a good hair oil. Next is tangerine. That actually my friend ordered the Thieves laundry soap. So tangerine, fun citrus scent. So that is for someone else as well. All right, last one. We're getting sad when we get down. Hi, Rachel. I'm just unboxing my order. I got a free pan away this month. That was another bonus. I don't remember what PV level, but I got them all because I got to the 300 with adding people's orders. Panaway, most of you would know, comes in your kit, but is so great for tension, muscle aches, supporting joints, those kind of things. I love to have Panaway on hand. Ooh, I got White Angelica because it was back in stock. White Angelica is one of those oils that it's one of the emotional kind of oils. People say that it helps with like negativity around you. I don't know if that works or what, but I figured my son has some issues and with his autism and different things, and I just figured, you know, couldn't hurt a little white Angelica for us all, right? Probably helps us all deal with people better, and we all need help dealing with people better, don't we? I don't know. Maybe that's not a problem you have. I sometimes do. Free spearmint. So spearmint was a free one that you got at the 100 PV level. So I'm always trying to tell people, a lot of times some of my Essential Rewards people got their order right at like $90, and I'm like messaging them like, you should bump it up just 10 more bucks because you're gonna get a free oil. So spearmint is awesome in water, very refreshing. You can diffuse it too, and it's awesome. And then the last thing is the Deep Relief, which Deep Relief usually comes in only in a roll-on. So that was cool that this was another freebie this month, and it was a 5 milliliter Deep Relief. If you have tried the Panaway and maybe you like it, but you don't feel like it's intense enough for your, you know, issues, you gotta try Deep Relief. Deep Relief is like amazing and very, very good. And then I always tell people, if Deep Relief isn't enough, then you have to try Cool Azul Pain Cream, because that stuff is the bomb. And I've had a few people, you know, share little testimonies about that stuff, but Cool Azul Pain Cream is amazing. But so yeah, so that's my order. Anyone on have any questions or want to talk about anything since I'm here and you guys are here? What's everybody up to tonight? Anyone else like getting the free stuff? I always love when I get to the free stuff. I mean, really, check it out. Let's go through everything I got free this month, because that's always fun to look at. I mean, a Copaiba, a supplement, a Panaway, a Deep Relief, and a Spearmint. That's a lot of stuff. I want to say it was like, it's usually around over $200 that you get of free stuff. Plus, I got a ton of ER points. I am at 25% because I've been doing ER for probably 2.5 years. And so you start off at 10% in getting free points back for the first 3 months. And then you get a gift at 3 months. And then from 4 months to, is it 4 months to 24 months, you earn 20% back, which is just amazing. I mean, that's so cool. Plus, you get gifts at 6, 9, and 12 months, and then after 24 months it's 25%. So yay! So I hope you guys enjoyed watching my unboxing video. If you're just tuning in at the end, I'll post it. You can go back and watch the whole thing. And again, I apologize for the lighting. I'm trying to hide out in my office, and I really don't have huge dark circles under my eyes. It's just the lighting. I swear. You guys are probably all like, why do you look so bad? Well, I am in my pajamas and it's nighttime too, but alrighty. Love you guys. Bye.